Hey there, it's Donna Balzer. It's not my regular time to be talking to you, but I just wanted to show you a few potatoes that I've been chitting, and I wanted to test my new high-speed internet cable to see how the sound is and to see how it's working out. So let's look at potatoes. First of all, this is a potato that I've been chitting. That's Chitting, chitting since January. It's just an unknown potato that I got in a bag that was sprouting. And so all of the potatoes in that bag were sprouting. So I set them on my countertop and I now have a lovely row of potatoes chitting. So that's been since January. You'll see that they get a little bit green and they look like they want to make buds, but they will not make the full leaves until I cut them or put them in water. So they'll hang out. Last year I had some hanging out for 4 months. It was incredible. Now, I'm also doing some warbas. And if you can read that tag, you'll see that warbas are an early season potato. And the reason I like to do warbas is because they're so early. They only make 5 to 7 potatoes. And then after that, I can pull them from the garden and start something new in that area. So this warba I just got on February 16th, and it had no buds at all. Now you can see it's got some little buds coming there, just forming. So that warba potato is also chitting on my windowsill. And I'll show you the name tag again in case you don't remember. Warba is an early season potato. So check the catalogs, find some early potatoes. The best are places like Eagle Creek, and that's in Bowden, Alberta, or there's some places in Pemberton or even down in Saanich. These are places that will sell you just a few of each kind, because as a gardener, you don't want 20 pounds of any one potato. You just want a handful, really. A pound of warbas is 5 potatoes. That's perfect. So that's all about chitting potatoes. I just wanted to test out my system. Make sure that you are starting with your potatoes. Thank you so much. If you want more information, go online and look at my webpage, donnabalzer.com. I have lots of info there all about, lots of info there, especially about potatoes. Talk to you soon.